Welcome to When Nerds Learn to Fly.
Alright, so here we are.
Yeah.
Last day.
Exactly.
I'm gonna go check out the bell tower. See how much that costs. We don't have a whole lot of yuan left. But,
Down for our last yuans.
We're just headed toward the center of Old Town.
Yeah.
So here we are coming up on the bell tower. I'm guessing the best way to get to it is by going underground.
Yep. Which way?
I'm guessing this way.
Okay. So the tickets were $35 for the drum tower, $35 for the bell tower, but if you did both, they were 50 yuan piece.
The tickets.
I'm not sure which one we're going up in, whichever one came first, either the drum tower or the bell tower. The bell tower was built in 1384 during the Ming Dynasty, and it's a symbol of the city of Xi'an and one of the grandest of its kind in China. The bell tower contains several large bronze cast bells from the Tang Dynasty. The bear is square and it covers an area of 1,377 square meters. It's a brick and timber structure and close to 40 meters high. Being at the very center of the city, the bell tower is surrounded by the traffic of Xi'an. It's a great bird's eye view to be able to watch everything going on.
Always an adventure.
Yeah, that's us.